Welcome to Laya.
For inquiries, please email me at amonforrealestate@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.
Guys, we're here at Laya by Shang Properties. We're having a mini snack. Mini snack. And there's like a cocktail bar here. I want to drink some alcohol.
It's here.
So we're here at the showroom of Laya by Shang Properties. So anong mix po ng Irish coffee again? It's hot.
Dutch brew and then sugar po. Jameson whiskey.
Ayun, whiskey siya. Pwede po pakita. Para sa mga nagsusubaybay po sa atin dito sa Laya. Dahil si Ma'am Tita, Ma'am Shai. Enjoying the different cheese.
Kinahan na kay hagdanan.
For the books. Di, magkuhan ka ng foldable nga stairs. For today lang ba to? Ay, may ano kayo? Parang event?
Yes, on the 7.
That's why. This is the amenity area. On the 11th floor, no?
Yes, sir.
Alright,
This one is
continue.
11th floor. This one is 12th floor. So, on the 11th floor, we have, of course, function room, lounges. We have co-working spaces.
Okay.
We have an expansive indoor children's play area,
Alright.
which connects to an outdoor children's play area. We have there right there are the changing rooms for the pool. This one is the entertainment room.
Okay.
So this one is the game room. So we have billiards, foosball. We have lounges as well. Yeah, sir. This one, you can see here nooks. These are co-working spaces. We have small meeting rooms, and of course another lounge. Then sa taas, sir, expansive gym, fully equipped siya, state-of-the-art equipment, not just any other weightlifting and treadmill. So yan, nakikita mo siya na. Then on right here, sir, will be a yoga room which can be converted to a dance studio. Na may spillover areas.
Alright. This is the site development plan or the map, site map, because it's already there. The key features for Laya. And of course, it's a place to call home. Yes, we're here at Laya Showroom by Shang Properties at Shang Plaza. What's the name of it? Ano yung pangalan niyo po?
Kenneth.
Kenneth po from Laya. We're now proceeding to Haraya, another project. Yes, this is Shang Plaza. Victor. Monish. Sarah Stanza. Yes, mga real estate po sila. Hello. Sir, is this a Shaw Boulevard na hindi pa? Sa kabila pa, no? This is within Shangri-La Plaza pa?
Right here po is EDSA.
EDSA na, di ba?
Dito po.
For inquiries, please email me at amonforrealestate@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.